Everyday English. School Actions and Verbs in Action. Hello, English learners. Today we are going to dive into an important part of our English language journey: school actions and verbs. These words are essential in describing your daily activities at school. So, let's get started. First, we're going to discuss some common school actions. Here are some verbs you might use to talk about your day at school. 1. Study. This is the primary action we do at school. E.g., I study English at school. 2. Learn. This is what you're doing right now. E.g., we learn new things every day. 3. Write. Often, you will write notes or assignments. E.g., I write a lot in my notebook during class. 4. Read. You may read books, instructions, or on the board. E.g., I read a chapter of the textbook for homework. 5. Listen. Listening is key to understanding your teachers and classmates. E.g., we need to listen carefully during lectures. Remember to practice these verbs by forming your own sentences. It will greatly help in retaining these words. Now, let's move on to some advanced school actions. As you progress, you may find these verbs useful. 1. Present. This is when you speak in front of the class. E.g., I present my project next week. 2. Discuss. This is when you talk about something in detail. E.g., we discuss the novel in our literature class. 3. Research. This is when you look up information for a project or paper. E.g., I need to research for my science report. 4. Analyze. This is when you break down a concept to understand it better. E.g., we analyze poems in our English class. 5. Calculate. This is what you often do in math class. E.g., we calculate equations in algebra. Again, practicing these words by creating your own sentences is a great way to remember them. Now that we have a solid list of school actions and verbs, let's combine them with some school vocabulary. For example, I study the periodic table in chemistry. We discuss The Great Gatsby in literature class. I have to write an essay for English. We research the life cycle of butterflies in biology. She needs to calculate the area of a circle in math. Try to combine other school verbs with the vocabulary you already know. That wraps up our discussion on school actions and verbs. By incorporating these words into your vocabulary, you're well on your way to fluently describe your school life in English. Remember, practice is the key. Use these words in sentences, conversations, and in writing. See you next time, and keep learning.